Hello everybody. So myself is Abir Dev. I'm working as a functional consultant with BizzmanWeb. So today we is going to discuss about what do you mean by inventory turnover ratio. So it is a very important factor for every organization to know its inventory turnover ratio. So to derive the inventory turnover ratio, what we need the total number of items sold in a year. So it is the total sales for the period for a year and the average inventory. So the average inventory is the beginning inventory in the warehouse and the end inventory in the year, means in the financial year starts from the April and ends the next year of 31st March. So taking both the two inventories and divide by 2, so it gives an average inventory. So inventory turnover ratio will be the total number of items sold in a year, in a financial year, divided by average inventory. So this gives you the inventory turnover ratio. My next question is, why inventory ratio analysis is required? Inventory turnover ratio, also known as the stock turnover ratio, is an efficiency ratio that measures how efficiently inventory is managed. The inventory turnover ratio formula is equal to the cost of goods sold divided by the total or average inventory to show how many times inventory is turned or sold during the period. The ratio can be used to determine if there are excessive inventory levels compared to the sales. So inventory turnover measures how many times in a given period a company is able to replace the inventory that is sold. A slow turnover implies weak sales and possibly excess inventory, while a fast ratio implies either strong sales or insufficient inventory. So this is how we can analyze, based on our warehouse position, the inventory valuation and the sales compared to sales with the inventory. We can see that how fast the company is in progress. So my idea of the inventory ratio analysis is to give a clear picture as how successful is your company dealing with the inventory control and analysis. Thank you.